Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video contains the complete discussion about the quantum mechanical problem of GATE 2019 chemistry paper code CY. Now, the first problem of quantum mechanics is that there is an integral and the value which is equal to I h cut square into a. Now, from this equation we have to evaluate what is the value of a. Now at first we have to familiar what is the terms involved here. Now Sx, Sy, these are the spin angular momentum operator and alpha is the spin of eigenfunction. Sx, Sy is the spin angular momentum and alpha is the spin of eigenfunction, that is when spin is equal to plus half. This is spin up eigenfunction plus half. Now for this equation we have to evaluate what is the value of a. Now here at first we have to calculate what this operator actually is, and after operating on alpha what value it gives. Now the operator Sx Sy minus Sy Sx is equal to actually the commutator of Sx Sy. Now this commutator Sx Sy commutator is equal to I h cross into Sz. This Sx Sy commutator is equal to I h cross into Sz. Now Sz is equal to eigen operator of alpha, that is when Sz operates on alpha or when Sz operates on beta, which is spin down eigenfunction, then it will give the value for alpha, that is h cross by 2, and for beta spin down eigenfunction, then it will give the value of minus half. Now just see how to calculate the value of a. Now Sx Sy minus Sy Sz is equal to I h cross into Sz. Now this I h cross is the constant function, so it will be in outside of the integration. Now the integration becomes alpha into Sz into alpha. Now when Sz operates on alpha, it will give the value h cross by 2 plus h cross by 2 into alpha. If it will beta, then it will give the value minus h cross by 2 into beta, but here it is alpha, so it will give the value h cross by 2 into alpha. Now this h cross by 2 is also a constant value. It will be again outside of the integration, and this constant is become I h cut square by 2 alpha into alpha. In this integration it will alpha into alpha. Now alpha into alpha is an orthonormal function, so the value of this integration is equal to 1, and then this equation is becomes I h cross h cut square into half is equal to I h cut square into a. Now from both sides I h cut square is cancelled out and a is equal to half. So answer is, what is the value of a? That is equal to half. So at first for solution of this problem, at first we have to consider this step, that is commutator of Sx Sy is equal to I h cross or h cut into Sz. Then this is easy to calculate the value of a. Now in the second problem, there is a particle in one dimensional box of length 2a with potential energy V is equal to 0 when the position x is equal to less than a, and infinity when x is equal to greater than a. Now this one dimensional box whose length is 2a, this system is perturbed by the function or by the potential of V dash is equal to C into X EV. Now we have to calculate the first order correction to the first excited state of the system. We have to calculate this. Now for first order correction, these values are given, and for first order correction, for first order energy correction, that is E dash is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi 0 V dash into psi 0 into d tau, where psi 0 is equal to wave function of the ground state. Now for the system which or particle in one dimensional box system, psi 0 is equal to root 2 by L into sin pi x by L. This is actually is equal to root 2 by L into sin n pi x by L, as it is in ground state. That's why n is equal to 1, and this is equal to root 2 by L sin pi x by L. Here L is equal to 2a, that is L is equal to length of the box. Here L is equal to 2a. Now and V dash, that is by what potential the system is perturbed, this is equal to Cx here. Now just put the value now E dash is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity psi 0 Cx, that is the potential Cx into psi 0 into d tau. Now C is a constant value, and when we putting the value of psi 0, that is root 2 by L into sin pi x by L, this E dash is equal to as there are two ground state term and this is multiplication, so this will be 2 by L and this will be sin square pi x by L, and for the potential energy term x will come here, that is E dash is equal to minus infinity to plus and outside there is 2 by L minus infinity to plus infinity Cx sin square pi x by L into dx. Here C is equal to constant, so it will be again outside of the integration. Now our integration is minus infinity to plus infinity plus infinity x sin square pi x by L. Now this function is an odd function. So for odd function, when integration is done from minus infinity to plus infinity, this value is 0. So by putting the value of this integral, we can get that is equal to 0. We can get E dash is equal to 0. So here answer is 0. That is the first order energy correction when perturbation is equal to perturbation potential is equal to Cx, then first order energy correction to the first excited state of the system will be 0. These two are quantum mechanical problem of GATE 2019 paper. If you have any queries, ask me on comment section, and thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.